Dreaming of studying in Italy? Whether it's art, engineering, or business, Italy offers world-class education and a vibrant student life. But before you pack your bags, there's one essential step: the Italy student visa. Types of Italy student visas. First, let's talk visa types. There are two main ones. Type C, for short courses or stays up to 90 days. Type D, for full-time degree programs like bachelor's, master's, or PhD that last longer than 90 days. Required documents. To apply, you'll need key documents: a valid passport with at least 18 months validity, passport-sized photos, your university acceptance letter or pre-enrollment form, academic transcripts and language certificates if needed, health and travel insurance. Financial proof. A major part of your application is financial proof. You must show you can cover your stay, usually at least around €500 per month or more depending on consulate requirements. Bank statements or a sponsor's documents often work here. Visa fees and timeline. Fees vary, roughly €50 for long-term visas and slightly higher for short-term ones. Processing typically takes 10 to 45 days, so apply well ahead of your course start date. After arrival in Italy. Once you land in Italy with your student visa, you must apply for a residence permit within 8 working days. This lets you stay legally throughout your studies. Ready to begin your journey? Studying in Italy opens doors to culture, opportunity, and a lifetime of memories. Start early, prepare your documents carefully, and buon viaggio!